Today will be a short video on why you should separate aloe vera pups. Take a look at this plant here. It is crowded with so many pups, and there is no more room left for all of them to grow. But what is more concerning is that the mother plant is mostly affected in this situation. If you look at the mother plant closely, the leaves are slightly thinner. That means there is lesser gel than it should when it is healthy. Also, the edges of the leaves are slightly turning brown or maroon. And the spikes that are supposed to be yellow is turning to a different color. I will discuss about the signs of the changing colors of aloe vera on a separate video. For now, it will be about separating these pups. Having these many pups will not be a big issue if you are planting aloe vera directly on the ground, but still, they should be separated. The soil in this plastic pot is barely enough for a bigger aloe vera plant to grow, and having these pups sharing the same soil and its nutrients will affect the mother plant so much. Although not as much with the pups, especially if they are still attached to the mother plant. That is because the pups has a main root attached to the mother plant where they receive nutrients from, and they also have roots to get nutrients from the soil. That means the pups have two sources of food, while the mother plant has only one source, the soil, which is also shared with the pups. And sadly, the meager nutrients it gets from the soil will also be shared to its pups that are still attached. Aloe vera is a prolific propagator. It produces offsets non-stop. If it likes the soil or nutrients you put in, the plant will give you a lot of pups. Also, I observed that if the plant is going through so much stress or is recovering from root rot, it will give you a lot of pups. Though the pups are not as healthy looking compared with the pups coming from a healthy plant, they can easily bounce back after you separate them. Now, these are the pups that I separated. It has 6 big pups and 6 medium-sized pups. And I also removed 6 older leaves. The big-sized pups are about 13 inches in length, and the medium-sized pups are about 9 to 10 inches in length. Now, the plant has more room to itself, and based on my observations in the past, this plant will come to its full health in 4 weeks. Thank you very much for watching.